So usually when I'm headed out this way,
Verga, güey, si vas a ir.
goddamn Saul on the goddamn phone. Supposed to be driving. He's on the goddamn phone.
Business, bro, business. Always business.
I taught him that goddamn word business. He didn't even know what that meant when I made it. So he forgot himself the goddamn present. So we're gonna go buy us a little bit of this whiskey here.
Cowboy team.
Goddamn Sinaloa cowboy. So he tries to tell everybody he's a goddamn chollero, but he don't know nothing about this goddamn city. You know what I'm saying?
Because I'm chollero from San Jose, not from
Yeah,
Cabo San
see,
Lucas,
that's
bro.
the goddamn problem. He's a different kind of chollero. And here's the thing, just so y'all don't know, that ain't a kind of cookie. That ain't a cookie or some kind of postre, you know what I'm saying? It's a goddamn person from Cabo San Lucas or San Jose del Cabo.
That's wrong, way.
Say what?
It has to be Cabo San Lucas or San Jose.
That's what I said, goddamn it.
You say Cabo San Jose.
No, I said Cabo San Lucas or San Jose del Cabo.
Okay, now you say it right.
I said it right the first time. It's on the goddamn video, son.
We gotta see your video, way.
It's a goddamn person from Cabo San Lucas or San Jose del Cabo. See it anytime, many times as you want. How much you want to bet, son? Because I tell you right now, I bet you goddamn 2 goddamn horses and a fucking camel.
Down a road that's full of sand, been to hell on a train and
Look who we found over here. A couple other goddamn cowboys. Wouldn't you know it? Goddamn. So as you can see right here, we got us some goddamn fighting dogs. Taking these dogs out, we're gonna have them a fight.
Son amigos y parte del equipo también, Isabel y César.
Bueno, son del equipo ahí del...
Sí.
Qué bueno, mucho gusto y qué bueno que se animaron a venir para acá. Lo más importante es que vengan a conocer estos lugares.
Él es César, señor Armando.
Armando.
Vivo la vida y aprobé de todo pa' que no me cuente. Las cosas buenas se ganan trabajando duro y no chingando gente.
So you buy yourself a new car, right?
Yes.
Is it an asset or a liability?
It's an asset.
Is it automatic? Why is it an asset?
You can put your ass on it.
Try to teach these guys something and what the fuck?
No, it's because you can rent it.
So if you drive it, you break it out in the woods, now it's a liability because you gotta pay for it. If you rent it and it brings you money in and you don't do shit and all your friends rent it for you, what is it?
Asset.
Why?
It's giving you income.
Without
Giving you money.
Without
Work.
It's correct. That's correct. And what do we want to have?
Assets.
Assets get asses.
Assets.
So the first one he bought a manual transmission. And I said, God damn it, son. I said, you ain't gonna make a goddamn dime, you know, you hear me, boy?
I fucked up, yeah.
And then he traded it and got a Honda, which was pretty good.
4 doors, automatic. It's great for Cabo.
Are you trying to sell now? Are you trying to pitch my people here?
No, I mean, you're gonna get a commission for this. It's a win-win.
Shit, I never get a commission from you guys. Shit. Well, congrats on another vehicle. I don't know how many you got now. 1. 2.
Sácala.
5. 6. I have not missed one. 8. Vale.
No, because he's the best. It's because he managed rules around him.
It's because I'm highly competitive and I'm good at everything. eso, de eso.
Another chance.
Despacio, bebé. Slowly, slowly.
No, muy malo.
No, pasa, no. Ok, lucky, pero no, pero buena.
Oh, sí.
Pero, ok, ya. Probablemente ella tiene 21 o algo, no mames.
19.
Ay, por eso, mira.
Cake,